We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-1440 printer. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you're going to do, we're going to open the front door and then we're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out as one piece. Once you have the toner and drum out, there's a little blue tab at the side of the drum. We're going to push down the little blue tab and lift the toner out of the drum. We'll set the old one off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum there are written instructions on how to replace the drum. Okay, now that we have our new drum, we're going to reinstall our toner back into the drum. You'll feel it click into place. Once the toner is installed into the drum, you'll see this little blue tab at the very top of the drum. You're going to want to slide that back and forth the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure that you end and finish where the same place that it began. There'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you've done that, you're going to reinstall the toner and drum into the printer, making sure that it's firmly back inside the printer. After that, you can leave the front door open, and you're going to push. There's kind of a big square opening here on the side where the LED lights are. You're going to push and hold it for about 4 seconds until all the LEDs light up. Once all the LEDs light up, you're going to let go, close the door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.